Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to your English grammar class. Dear children, in the previous classes, we were discussing about the meaning of sentence, the rules, features of the sentence. We also have finished with our practice exercise A. Dear children, in today's video lesson, we will be learning about kinds of sentences. So, it is our chapter 1 sentences, part 5 kinds of sentences. Dear children, sentences is a group of words that is in a systematic order and it makes a complete sense. And today we will be discussing that there are in all 4 types of sentences. So, our topic is kinds of sentences, and the kinds are declarative, assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. And in today's class, we will be discussing the first 2 types of sentences, that is declarative and assertive sentences and imperative sentences. You can also keep your textbook with you while going through this video. First type, declarative and assertive sentences. Let us see what is declarative sentence. A sentence that declares or states something is known as a declarative sentence. Dear children, the word declare, it makes a very pinpointing thing that declare karna, to convey something, to convey a fact or to convey an information. Okay, dear children? So, declarative sentences are the sentences जो कुछ declare कर रहे हो, जो कुछ state कर रहे हो. Is it clear? Declarative sentences are of 2 types, affirmative or negative. Is it clear? Affirmative को हम एक true fact बोल सकते हैं या फिर ऐसा सेंटेंस बोल सकते हैं जिसमें नेगेटिव वर्ड्स का यूज ना हो. नेगेटिव वर्ड्स सच एज नॉट, डोंट, वोंट, राइट डियर चिल्ड्रन. एंड देन वी हैव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस जो हमें एक नेगेटिव पॉइंट बता रहा हो या जिसमें नेगेटिव वर्ड्स यूज हो रहे हो. द नेक्स्ट वन इज affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences affirm a proposition. ये हमें क्या बताते हैं? ये affirm करते हैं चीज़ को, ये चीज़ को पॉजिटिवली या फिर एक फैक्चुअल मेथड में हमें स्टेट करते हो. See the examples. He goes to school. Here एक information दी गई है, right? There is nothing negative over here. Next example, the school reopens today. It is informing us something. It is stating something. Okay. Then there are negative sentences. Negative sentences negate a preposition. यहाँ पर negative point हमें बताया जाता है. See the examples. He cannot sing. वो गा नहीं सकते. So, cannot is a negative word, right? It is doing what? It is negating a preposition. Example 2. She is not well. She is not well. वो ठीक नहीं है. Over here, the word not is used to negate a preposition. Is it clear? हम इन sentences को affirmative भी बना सकते हैं. See like he can sing. हमने क्या किया? Can के बदले, cannot के बदले हमने can use कर लिया. And see the next one. She is well. Right dear children? हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर not remove करके negative sentence को affirmative sentence बना दिया. We will see the exercise soon. So don't worry. Next one is imperative sentences. Sentences that express command, request, advice, order और suggestion. वो sentences जहाँ पर हमें कुछ command मिल रहा हो या कोई हमसे request कर रहा हो या फिर कोई हमें advice या suggestion means सलाह दे रहा हो, those sentences are known as imperative sentences. Let us see the examples. Please bring a glass of water. It is a request. Someone is requesting you that please bring me a glass of water. Next, do your homework properly. It is a command given by either your teacher or your parents, right? Then it is never lose hope. It is an advice. वो कुछ आपको सलाह दे रहे हो. Right, dear children? So in today's class, we learned about our imperative sentence and declarative and assertive sentence. Now let us move on to our exercise portion. So dear children, this is our exercise B on our page number 6. So while watching this video, keep your textbook with you. Number 1, let us read the question first. Answer these questions. Dear children, आपको यहाँ पर कुछ questions दिए गए हैं. So you will answer the questions. Then write whether it is affirmative or negative. फिर हमें बताना है whether the sentence is affirmative or positive or it is a negative sentence. The first one has been done for you. Let us read one by one and then answer the question, and then we will decide whether it is affirmative or it is a negative sentence. Number 1, see, it is done for us. Do you study in college? Do you study in college? No, dear children, we are still school students. So what will be the answer? I don't study in college. Now over here, the word don't is used. It is a negative word. So this whole sentence will be negative. Is it clear? Number 2, which is your favorite subject? Is it English or is it English grammar? You will write it as my favorite subject is English. So यहाँ पर हम कुछ state कर रहे हैं, कुछ information convey कर रहे हैं. So this sentence will be affirmative sentence. Then, which is the subject you do not like? ऐसा कौन सा subject है जो आपको पसंद नहीं है? So you will answer it as I do not or I don't like. Then you will write the subject. So now over here the word not is used. So ये किस तरह का sentence हो जाएगा? It will be a negative sentence. First you will write the whole sentence, write the whole question, then you will frame the sentence according to your answer, and then you will decide whether your answer is a positive or a affirmative sentence or a negative sentence. Let us see one more. Are you punctual at school? Do you come to school at time? Yes or no? Of course you do. So you will write, yes, I am punctual at school. So it is saying a sentence, it is stating something, it is declaring something, and there is nothing negative over here. So you will write it as an affirmative sentence. The remaining sentences you will do by your own. The next exercise we have is for our imperative sentences. Let us see. Answer the following questions. Follow instructions given in brackets. One has been done for you. See dear children, over here, यहाँ पर भी हमें कुछ questions दिए गए हैं and then we have to answer the question. After answering, we have to see that whether it is a suggestion, advice, command, or whether to start with some given words over here itself. Okay, so the first one is done for us. May I come in? Dear children, यहाँ पर request की जा रही है, right? See the answer itself. Yes, you may come in. See dear children, this particular question is request, right? And इसका answer कैसे दिया है? In yes, you may come in. So ये हमारे request का answer है. Number 2. How do I complete this drawing? Now you will give a suggestion that complete your drawing with the help of a tool, or you may do it properly, use proper things to do it, right? Or draw it clearly. आप यहाँ पर कुछ suggestion देंगे. So you will write the answer as per a suggestion given by you. Number 3. Doctor, how many antibiotic tablets should I take daily? So, आप यहाँ पर डॉक्टर बन जाइएगा and answer accordingly that you may take 3 antibiotic tablets or 2 antibiotic tablets. So, you will give an advice over here. Now, fourth one. When should I begin my homework? मैं अपना होमवर्क कब शुरू करूँ? See, यहाँ पर आपको कमांड देना है that complete your homework today itself or complete your homework by tomorrow. So you will give a command over here. The last one, what should I do during my vacation? So यहाँ पर you have to give a suggestion. Use the word should. हम ये यहाँ पर should use करना है. So you should or you can, पर हमें यहाँ पर क्या use करना है? Basically we need to use should. So you should pursue your hobbies, or you should go at some new place to explore new things. So you will give a suggestion over here. Is it clear? So you will be completing your exercise B and exercise C in your notebooks. I will be sending you the solutions with the PDF file soon to you. Till then, try it by yourself. We will meet in our next class with the remaining 2 kinds of sentences. Till then, take care dear children. God bless you all.